बराह रास्त आपके लिए चलेंगे इस्लामाबाद। एडिशनल अटॉर्नी जनरल अहमद इरफान और डीजी साउथ एशिया मुश्तरका न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं।
When an officer of the High Commission met with Commander Yadav, Pakistan granted the stay of execution of raw agent Commander Yadav pending effective review and reconsideration of his sentence and conviction. And finally, to provide for review and reconsideration, Pakistan has conducted an exhaustive review of its existing laws to assess the most appropriate manner by which to provide effective review and reconsideration in the context of Article 36 of the Vienna Convention. Although the laws of Pakistan provide for the right to review, to ensure that full weight is accorded in the letter and spirit of the judgment of the court, on 20th May, Pakistan enacted an ordinance called the International Court of Justice Review and Reconsideration Ordinance 2020. Under the ordinance, a petition for review and reconsideration can be made to Islamabad High Court through an application within 60 days from the date of promulgation of the ordinance, that is 20th of May 2020. As per section 20 of the ordinance, a petition for review and reconsideration can be filed by Commander Yadav himself, legally authorized representative, or a consular officer of the Indian High Commission. On 17 June 2020, Commander Yadav was invited to file a petition for review and reconsideration of his sentence and conviction. Pakistan also offered to assist in arranging legal representation for raw agent Commander Yadav. Exercising his legal right, Commander Yadav refused to file a petition for the review and reconsideration of his sentence and conviction. He instead preferred to follow up on his pending mercy petition. Pakistan has repeatedly written to the Indian High Commission inviting it to file a petition at the Islamabad High Court and initiate the process for review and reconsideration of the sentence and conviction of Commander Yadav before the deadline. I wish to reiterate here that, being a responsible sovereign state, Pakistan is fully cognizant of its international obligations. Pakistan remains committed to implementing the judgment of the ICJ in letter and spirit. It is hoped that instead of using its usual dilatory tactics and playing politics over the issue, India will follow the due legal course and cooperate with the courts in Pakistan to give effect to the judgment of the ICJ. I thank you for your patient hearing and am open to any questions that you may have.
We'll take a few questions, and I will request you to please keep them short and be specific of the issue. Ali Raj.
Sir, Ali Raj from Indian News. Will there be a second consular access to Indians serving raw agent Commander Kulbhushan Jadhav?
Ji, Ahmed, would you like to take the question? Pakistan has already offered second consular access to India, and you may recall that earlier also on humanitarian ground, Pakistan did arrange a meeting of Commander Yadav with his wife and mother, and now again we have also offered a meeting of Commander Yadav with his wife and father as well. So yes, Pakistan has offered second consular access to Commander Yadav.
एडिशनल अटॉर्नी जनरल अहमद
इस्लामाबाद में एडिशनल अटॉर्नी जनरल अहमद इरफान और डीजी जनूबी एशिया जाहिद हफीज़ न्यूज़ कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे थे।